Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working with checkboxes in Smartsheet and wondered how you can make your sheets even smarter, like having a cell automatically display yes or no, or even complete and incomplete based on whether a box is checked, then you're in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick and practical way to set up formulas in Smartsheet that respond instantly to checkboxes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automate status indicators in your sheets with just a couple of steps, saving you time and making your project super easy to read at a glance. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, take a look at your sheet where you have that checkbox column. Maybe it's for tracking tasks, approvals, or anything you want a simple yes or no answer for. Let's say you want a neighboring cell to display yes when the box is checked and no when it is. Here, how we do it. Click into the cell where you want your automatic status to appear. Maybe it's right next to your checkbox in a column labeled status. You'll need to enter a formula here. Now, the magic formula in Smartsheet is the if function. Think of it sort of like if this, then that. So you're telling Smartsheet if this box is checked, then say yes. If not, say no. For this, the formula would look something like equals if checkbox 1 equals 1, yes, no. As you're typing this in, replace checkbox 1 with the actual name and row number of your checkbox column. If you're not sure, you can hover over the column name or double-check the references in Smartsheet to avoid any typos. Once you've got it right, hit Enter. Now the fun part, try checking and unchecking that box. You should see the cell next to it instantly shift from no to yes when it's checked and back again when you clear the box. It's a small thing, but it can make your sheets feel so much more dynamic and interactive. If it doesn't work right away, don't worry. Just double-check the formula, make sure the column and row references match your actual sheet, and you should be good to go. But let's say you want to take it a step further. Maybe yes and no don't quite fit what you need. You'd rather see complete when a task is checked off and incomplete when it is. That's super easy to change. Simply double-click the cell with your formula and replace the yes and no in the quotes with complete and incomplete. So your formula now reads equals if checkbox 1 equals 1, complete, incomplete. When you hit Enter, give it another try, check your box, and now it'll say complete. Uncheck and you'll see incomplete. This tiny tweak is perfect for task lists, project tracking, or any workflow where you want to instantly see the status just by ticking a box. And that's really all there is to it. With this approach, you can easily customize what your sheet shows just by linking checkboxes to a formula. If you ever want to change the labels, just adjust the formula text, no need to start over. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the like button, and leave me a comment below if you have any questions or need help troubleshooting your own formula. And of course, if you want more simple, powerful Smartsheet tips, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.